This chicken looks like it's about to prep for a Hollywood premiere. The other day, I popped into a charity shop. I love a charity shop, and I think I stumbled upon a £5 bargain original air fryer.
Cheapo.
Wow, like magic. This is a halogen oven, and it works very similar to an air fryer. All the love happens in here, all right? This one is quite pointless. This is a stand for the lid. If you want, you can chuck it on the floor. What I decided to do is to make an entire roast chicken dinner in this thing. I am skeptical. It's powered by halogen, okay? Under here is a really cool bulb thing. And again, like an air fryer, rather than a ring of fire, you've got the halogen bulb and a fan that's gonna whir around the heat. It's by a brand called Your Kitchen Hero, which I think potential name change of the channel. Let's roast a chicken, but first we gotta prep it. All right, so we're gonna get a chicken going and I wanna flavor it up. Right here, we have got some room temperature butter, and trust me, that is a very accurate representation of the temperature of this room right now. So we're gonna flavor it with some lemon. I do love a bit of lemon in the chicken, and we are gonna juice this in there as well, and it might go towards the chicken's bottom. About the juice of a quarter of the lemon, salt, pepper, thyme. So I'm gonna slather that on my chicken. Just getting the chicken ready. Oh yeah. All right, so this is me basically suntan lotioning a chicken. This is the butter mix, and I am getting all over with this. It's not the nicest step. I appreciate some of you guys do not eat meat. Like, just imagine that you are going out and you've got factor 50 on. You want to be coated, right? Especially on a rainy day. Wow, in that goes. All right, here we go. 180C apparently for half an hour. So let's get it to 180C. It goes all the way down to thawing and washing. How can it wash? It's not got water in it. That's like, what? Oh, the red light's come on. Is that on? Imagine if it doesn't work. After all this. It's like, yeah, I'll just give it to charity shop because it broke. I know who you are. We've all been there. No, I've turned it on. It's broken. This machine doesn't work. Oh my gosh. It only works when the handle was down. It's almost like a safety clip. Can I, look at this, it's like a dance floor. This little thing here, if I pop that up, look, it all goes off. That smells like charity shop. I'm so sorry. I really don't want to snap that. This chicken looks like it's about to prep for a Hollywood premiere. We are giving a chicken a suntan, but ultimately, as we'll go into now whilst this chicken cooks, this can apparently do some really cool stuff. Need to chop your cauliflower? There's a gadget for that, and that is busting out some serious heat. Anyhow, you can basically just hack your cauliflower off. I mean, you could use a spoon. But anyhow, getting all my vegetables prepped. I have got to say, the color is sensational. It is busting out some mega heat, as even this visually, like, oh. But what we have got is down at the bottom of the pan is all these crazy juices, and we're gonna make a gravy with that and then bung the veg in. This is where, checks notes, the lid stand comes in, because this thing is gonna be blooming hot. I was like, why do I need a lid stand? Now I know why. Look at those juices coming off, but there's still gonna be more as we put it down into this roasting dish. It came with the most unusual tongs I've ever seen. It looks like one of those things you get in an office with the balls on it, dong, 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 dong. So this is for literally getting in there like that and clasping your extremely hot rack, your extremely hot rack, your extremely hot rack, sounds wrong, onto here. So this looks really appetizing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'll just swirl that around. But of course, there's gonna be butter in there. There's gonna be lemon juices. There's gonna be the chicken juices. And oh my gosh. I hate this thing, but it's doing all right. Bit of a problem. The stand, that That stand that it's sat on is really narrow and it's still very hot. This is the bigger one, which would give us the capacity to get our veg underneath. Unfortunately, the chicken, if it's on that, it's going to be touching the halogen and we are going to get some seriously burnt chicken. So we are going to truss this thing and shove the veg right in there. And that is going to become our custom platform. And I'm all for that. You guys know that I love a lazy gadget. I'm just trying to cut corners, I'm trying to save washing up. If it can all happen in this vessel, that's where I want it to be. So we'll give it a little bit of pepper on there. It's not gonna be roast potatoes, but you can do that. So we're kind of freestyling this now, and I love it. Oh, bloody hell.
It's quite close to the thigh.
It does, doesn't it? What do you think? Should we go? That is really close, isn't it? Wow. Let's trust it. And I'll let you know if I'm panicking, which I predict is a very high chance. Then we'll rearrange, we'll part the vegetables. Same temperature. It's a large chicken. It's not working. Oh yeah, I love how out of everything. This is the power switch. It feels like, you know, an old school cartoon with the dynamite. I think this is gonna burn. Cam just made a really good point. There is no max fill line at all. Like, we could just keep going. It doesn't say any warnings on it. It's nuts. Little update, it ain't burning. So we're gonna keep on rolling, baby. It smells so good, it's blistering, looking golden, but we can push it further. That is a large chicken, and it wants to be cooked. Ooh. Now, I don't want to get into money side too much, but at the moment, air fryers are all the fad. And trust me, they have kind of won me over and a lot of you guys, but they're so expensive. This is pretty much the same thing. And like possibly up to a quarter of the price and the size of that dish. You know, my air fryer is 40 quid. I can fit a shoe in that and that's it. Air fryers cost around about 5 English pence an hour. An electric oven typically is around about £1.20 an hour. Whereas a halogen oven is slightly more than an air fryer, but look at that capacity. That is 18 pence an hour. I want this to win me over and I want to do more with it. Oh, there's a lovely safety tip here of do not remove the cooking racks with your bare hands. But look at this, it's got like cookies, treacle pudding, chips, Spanish omelette, pasta bake, paella, Caribbean chicken, casserole, curry, cottage pie, beef stew. I think basically anything that you can air fry. It's all the fad right now, and there's one out there that potentially does the same thing. Just go to your local charity shop and hound them. That's what you got to buy. I'm not saying it's gonna be £5, but you know, it's 40, 50 quid. Get a digital one, have a little Google, there's different brands available. Wow, let's see what this turns out like. It's nearly done. I just like watching the light pop on and off, sorry. I never thought when I was 18, I'd get excited about halogen oven in a chicken. Well, this is the dream. Right, let's, oh my gosh, this thing is so hot. Ow! That is really badly designed. I tried to just push that to get the handle up, and I was like, that is insanely hot. I don't know what to do. It's helping, thank you. Let's just... No! If I put my hand away from a vent. Oh, all right, yeah. Safety first. I recommend an air fryer. Oh my goodness, look at that chicken. We've sliced it up, all the veg came out soaked in those extra chicken juices, all stirred through, bonked on a plate, drenched in gravy. Oh my word, here it is. I love that the cauliflower is blistered. Mmm, oh that is so tender. I was really expecting it to be like bone dry where it's just been obliterated by this massive light in the sky. Imagine living by that, AKA the sun. I don't know, it's debatable. Amazing. That has really blown my mind. And even the vegetables, the cauliflower wasn't dry either. It's charred it, but the juices that are in there, stirring it through, coated it super, super well. Now this is just an introduction for me. Remember a couple of weeks ago, I didn't know this existed. And some of you guys are like, I've got this, it's amazing. Literally that voice. If you have got an idea for me to do for a follow-up for this, anything cool? I mean, can you imagine the cake that we could make in that? It's just absolutely gigantic thing, and based on this alone, I think they're actually pretty darn awesome. Let me know your suggestions. Based on this chicken alone, that is a £5 bargain. See you next time. This carrot feels a bit tough. It's tough. That is, just between us, maybe not promote the carrot side of this. That is crunchy.